This is Senior Product Manager Derek Wood welcoming you to another Infrascale how-to video. If you're just joining us, the first thing you'll need to do is create a backup account or multiple backup accounts. The Infrascale system works with a series of administrative accounts that can manage accounts that would actually be used to log in to the backup software and run backups to the cloud. To do this, you go to Manage and then Backup Accounts, or click the View All Backup Accounts link here. Here you'll see a list of your current backup accounts and various statistics. To create a new backup account, select the Create Backup Account button. Then we have the Create Backup Account form. This is going to create a single backup account. So if you're just creating one or a few, this is maybe the way you want to do it. Now, Infrascale backup accounts don't have a limit as far as how many devices can be run on this particular backup account. So you can use any deployment form you like. You could have, say, one backup account that you as the administrator use and deploy across a whole department. So maybe we want to just put yourself, and then we change the username to, say, support desktops, okay, or laptops, whatever it is. And we're going to use this backup account for all of the support workstations across, or desktops across the organization. Or you can do a one-to-one relationship for one backup account per device. You could do that as well, so you have multiple users on the same device. Or you could do a one-to-one user to backup account. So a user would actually have their own backup account specific to them and their devices, and you could even give them limited access to their own backup account. So if you were to create this, let's say for Jane Doe, and by selecting limited rights, you'll allow Jane Doe to be able to log in and recover data from the backup account, but she would be unable to delete data that's been backed up, and she would be unable to modify the backup set and schedule. So if you as the administrator want to make sure that you're not backing up user pictures or users videos, and you only want work documents, you don't have to worry about the user changing the backup set and then all of a sudden blowing up your usage. So this is a very popular way of deployment. And again, the only limit would be the size in gigabytes. UltraSafe is another setting that you should be aware of. UltraSafe means that we're going to manage the encryption keys differently. So in a standard backup account, we have a very secure way of managing encryption keys so that we can authenticate the user and help the user recover passwords if that's the case. If we use the UltraSafe method, it means that we never store the user's encryption key on our end, on the Infrascale cloud side. That means that we would have no way of getting to the data in any case, and the user would need to be sure that they are going to remember or securely record their password somewhere. So UltraSafe is what was historically used for HIPAA compliance, so if you're dealing with healthcare services or healthcare records with personal information. It's also a common feature for those dealing with a lot of PII, but it's not absolutely necessary for either due to how everything else is managed. And if you are in healthcare, we can sign a business associate agreement. Just ask your rep. But otherwise, you do have this UltraSafe option. And after you create the account and upon your first login to the backup account, before you back up any data, you'll be given the option to change it to an UltraSafe Max account if you so choose. But just remember, this is a long-standing thing that cannot be undone, and if you forget your password again, there's nothing we can do to help you. So we create this account. We get a message, and then this email address will receive a notification that the account's been created. And that's how you create a single backup account. Now, to deploy across many different users at once and avoid having to do a one-by-one account creation, go over to our Apps menu and go to Create Custom MSI. When you come to this page, if it's your first time visiting, you'll get a message with a how-to video that explains how to automatically deploy across Active Directory. Now, if you've seen it before, just click the little blue button, and then you'll see the message here with a quick how-to video. And that's it for creating accounts in the Infrascale system. For more information, visit infrascale.com or check out our YouTube channel for more self-help videos.